Smart G1 Operation Guide. Connecting GoPro and button operations. Taking GoPro 10 as an example. First, open the GoPro settings interface. Select Connect and click Connect Device. Select the GoPro Quick app. Then triple-click the Stabilizer Shoot button. At this time, a search icon will appear on the LCD screen. The device will automatically connect. If the connection fails, the search icon will disappear. Please triple-click the Shoot button again to connect. After a successful connection, the LCD screen will display the current GoPro mode, such as photo, video, time-lapse photography, etc. After connecting GoPro, single-click the Shoot button to take photos or record videos. Double-click to switch between photo, video, and time-lapse photography. Long press to disconnect the GoPro. Triple-click to repair. Single-click the joystick to cycle through POV, PF, F, L modes. Move the joystick up, down, left, or right to adjust the shooting direction. Double-click to quickly reset the GoPro. Push the left lever up and down to adjust the horizontal state of the device. The AB buttons on the right side can be used for moving shots. Long press to enter AB mode. Move the joystick to adjust the GoPro direction. Single-click the button to set the starting position A. Move the joystick again to adjust the GoPro direction. Double-click the button to set the ending position B. Push the lever up and down to adjust the shooting duration. After setting, triple-click the button to automatically start the moving shot. Hold the stabilizer horizontally. Single-click the back trigger button to quickly switch between landscape and portrait mode. Double-click to enter DM auto rotation mode. Double-click the joystick to stop and reset the GoPro. Long press the trigger button to enter Go mode for quick transitions. The Smart G1 also supports GoPro charging. Take out the GoPro charging cable. Insert one end into the GoPro charging port. Insert the other end into the Smart G1 output port. Single-click the power button to start charging the GoPro. The LCD screen will display a charging icon. Single-click again to turn off the GoPro charging function.